Okay, so today I'm going to be changing the oil in this C4. I know it's easy to do oil change, but on this car you need to do certain things before you actually change the oil. As far as lifting the car and jacking it up. So this is basically what I do before I actually do the oil change. First you want to take the top off. There you go. So I already did that. And disconnect the battery. But first, before you disconnect the battery, you want to pop the trunk or the hatchback. There we go. There you go. So you pop the hatchback. Perfect. Sure the doors are unlocked. Then you want to disconnect the battery. So gotta get my screwdriver I used to. Keep it open and wrench. There you go, that's it. So you don't want to do that. I think I just dropped the screw down in the hole. There you go. Bam. Get it out. Oh, disconnect the negative part. So, there we go. Battery disconnected. I got the hatch open, the hood open, and the doors open. I gotta open the passenger side door. There you go. Now you have all the doors open and the hatch open and the hood. So when you lift it up, you don't have to worry about flex or cracking or causing any kind of. If you had the hatch on, you could possibly crack the hatch or cause it to warp. Take the hatch off, you don't have to worry about that. You have all the hatch open, the doors, because this is basically a fiberglass on frame type of connect structure they have. They basically attach the fiberglass panels to a steel frame underneath, so it is prone to flex. Now I'm going to jack it up. Okay, another thing I did not do, unfortunately, is first thing I do is I put the transmission in neutral. Alright. Turn it on, key the battery's not connected, so it's not going to do anything. Put the brake on, you put it into neutral. There you go. So I put it in neutral so when I jack it up, I don't have any force on the transmission in case it were to try to roll back or slide back or whatever. But you don't have to do that, it's just what I basically do. Then you want to put something behind the wheels. There you go. Bam. Doesn't go nowhere. Now. This is back to where I was jacking up at. Let me move my finger out of the way. As you can see, this is where you want to jack it up at. Find the subframe connections. There's also a tow hook right there if you ever need to get towed, so you can tell the driver, yes, this car does have tow hooks under it. That's where you want to put the jack stands or jack. Don't put it anywhere down here. Matter of fact, you have 2 arrows that show you where you can jack this car up at. Right there. You can see the subframe connection. If you go back down here, you're going to tear this up. Actually, you probably could jack it up here, but you can see there's no room to get anything under it. All you have is one line of the subframe connection. Here it broadens out and thickens so you can get a lot more of the jack under the car. That's where you want to jack it. Another problem is some people want to jack it here under a floor pad. Now I took it to the shop one time. They jacked it up right here. Jack it up right here, you're going to destroy the floor pans. You can see one of these floor pans is already pushed in a little bit. You can't jack it up there. You can, but you're going to destroy it. The oil pan is right there. I get a clean shot at it, and I'm going to get that going, and that's about it. So for a secondary jack, I know I got 1 jack stand here, but I like to have actually 2 jack stands, just in case one fails. So go right under the tow hook. Get to it. There. So I got another jack under the tow hook. So if this happens to break, which it most likely isn't, there's a secondary one right there, and I won't get crushed under the car. So that's what I do. I usually have 2 or 3 secondaries, or actually a third. So I'm actually going to go with this jack itself as a third backup. I'm going to actually go under the frame right here. Oh, I got that under it too. This is enough to support it. I'm not going to check it, so it's actually pressing, actually putting force up against the car. I got the jack stand to do that. So now I got this one. So I got 3 backups in case that jack stand fails. That's why I do it, man, because I had a friend got crushed under his car, actually his truck, and he was trying to check it. So since then, I have either at least 2 backups. I like to have at least 3 This way, if you got power tools, it's a lot easier. And you're done. I'm doing it the hard way, unfortunately. The lift and power tools will be done. I'm doing it the old-fashioned slow way, unfortunately. All right. Yeah, that stuff's bad. oil filter on these cars are on the driver's side, right above the header or below the header. Actually, excuse me. So that's it. Yeah, so I'm using Castrol Edge Synthetic, high mileage, 1030. Fill the oil up, oil filter up as much as you can. Oil around the gasket.